Santa Elisa. Altamira Suri was well known for years of success and boldness in business industry. Dana and Mariano Altamira had a very beautiful daughter named Elisa. From Mariano's eyes, Elisa was the perfect daughter everyone could have. But Elisa was not perfect as her father thinks about her. One night, after Mariana's party, Elisa insisted on her father to go out with her younger sister, Christina, and her cousins, Sandy and Edward. They went to a local club and they were having a party. They saw Elisa dancing gracefully. But after that, the three, except Elisa, got drunk and later discovered she was missing. And because of that, they hired a private investigator just to find where Elisa was. They even gave 2 million pesos as a reward just for those who can give Elisa back. But the investigation to find Elisa seems to be hard for them. From the day she got secrets of every family members and friends to Parana's part, histories from the past and things that were supposed to be buried gradually unfold. As the myths of every family conflict come to light among the family members, her parents, her friends, her relatives, and even all of the person that is related to Elisa. Until one day, her second cousin, Edward, found her in the village, full of sorrows and deep pain because of her gunshot on her head. So Edward quickly brought her to the hospital, but it's too late for Elisa. Elisa died, and the Altamira family is now suffering from deep pain and sorrow because of it.